Wagwan guys, today is another day, 2nd of May, and today I want to really talk on this critical topic in trading. Most forex traders, or mostly I would say most SMC traders, smart money concept traders, they have this psychology or this ideology that BE is not necessary in trading. Like there have been a controversial topic on break-even. Is break-even really necessary in trading or not? So many of these SMC traders, they will say once you've placed your trade, you've placed your stop loss and your profit target, you should just move away and let the market do its thing. Why will you be breaking even on a trade? Like if you should break even on your trade, it means that you're not even sure of the direction of the market on that particular, or you're not even sure of the setup, something like that. That's what they will just say. But what about, are we throwing away trade management? Is trade management not really a necessary part of profitability again? So far as when it comes to trading, we have the strategy part, we have the psychology part, and we have the managerial part, which is management. And that management comes in your risk management, your money management, and also your trade management. So you cannot tell someone who probably is maybe a beginner trader that is trying to manage or to trade is $100. That is his last that is the last amount that he could afford to lose or to invest in the forex market, and you want him to probably trade without management. In as much as you are managing your risk, you should also be managing your trade. Once a trade should go in your favor, it is necessary to break even. So I don't know why these SMC traders will be saying break even is not necessary. That once a trader breaks even, like you're not even sure of your setup, you're not even sure of the direction, because sometimes, though there have been different scenarios whereby the market will go in your favor, then once you break even, it will come back to retest on your entry, thereby stopping you out because you've already break even, meaning you've moved your stop loss above or below your entry. Now stop you out and continue to go in your direction. So what if in that scenario, not that those scenarios occur in the market, but does that stop a trader from breaking even, or does that mean that breaking even in trading or breaking even your position is bad? No. Break even BE has really been helping a lot of traders. It has helped me a lot. Even though most of the times I've cut up my winners short, like price will come back, retest on my entry and move in my direction, then I'll be like, oh my god, I could have not break even, I could have just allowed this trade, just place my SL and TP and move away. But sometimes the market can go in your favor or tap your entry, go in your favor like something pips in your direction, then comes back to your SS, stops you out and continue to go in the opposite direction. So what if in that scenario no one is controlling the market, nobody's strategy is controlling the market? So I don't know why some people feel like their strategy is controlling the market. Nobody's strategy is controlling the market, not even the professional, not even the gurus. So you see, the chart you are looking at, when you open the SAUSD gold chart, the same chart you're looking at, that is the same chart the professional is looking at, that is the same chart everyone is looking at. So for example, now the big guys in Nigeria, the big top traders in Nigeria, the chart they are looking at is the same chart that a beginner trader that or someone that wants to start trading today, is the same chart that the person will still analyze. There is no difference. There's no pro chart and there's no beginner chart. It's the same currency pair chart. It's the same chart. So your analysis and your bias and probably your experience in the market on how the market behaves, on how different patterns occur in the market, that is what will give you an edge over the beginner. Your experience, because you've experienced different patterns in the market, so that experience will give you an edge over the beginner. If not, the chart is still the same. So guys, if this is your first time coming across my video, my name is SilencerFx and I want you to subscribe to my channel, like this video and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.